Welcome to NkitchN. Let's look at the recipe for Halwa Poori. Halwa Poori makes a wonderful breakfast. Kids would love it. Take a bowl, add 1 cup wheat flour. Gradually add water and make a soft dough. Add sufficient water and knead the dough. Leave it to rest for 30 minutes. Now, let's look at the recipe for halwa. Here are the ingredients. Heat a pan and add a tablespoon of ghee. Roast dry fruits till they are golden brown. Keep the roasted dry fruits aside. Boil 3 cups of water in another pan and add a cup of sugar. Go back to the first pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add suji rava and stir till it turns golden brown. Add the prepared sugar water and stir continuously. Make sure there are no lumps. Now, add saffron milk. Saffron gives it the wonderful aroma and color. Stir it till you get this consistency. Time to add the dry fruits and cardamom powder. Mix it well and the yummy halwa is ready. Let's get back to the poori dough. Take small portions and roll it evenly. Make sure it is not so thick. Deep fry the poori in oil at medium to high heat. Time to enjoy the crispy and fluffy pooris with the delicious halwa. Hope you enjoyed watching this video.